Dear students, this session will be talking about how we can serve food. Recently, in the previous session, we saw how we set tables. The simple setup was a la carte setup table, and then we saw table dot setup, and this you can see that it's a table dot setup. So we are going to serve food by following the sequence of table dot menu. So today we have 4-course menu, so we have to follow the rule of 4-course menu. And as you know, when we are setting, we have to set 3 different glasses on the table for a guest. One is white wine glass, the second one is for red wine, so it's red wine glass, and the last, which is big, is water goblet. But as we are not going to serve drinks because it's about to serve food, so I'll remove both white and red wine glass and then proceed with our lesson. Every time when you are clearing, please remember to use a tray. The 4-course menu today, we shall having salad, fresh garden salad for our guests. We shall having hot starter, which is pumpkin soup, fresh pumpkin soup. And then about main course, we shall see how we can adjust cutleries. Because as you know already, because we talked about it, the steak has its own knife, which is called steak knife. So we shall see how we can adjust the cutlery by changing and leave steak knife and take off the other knife. And then we shall see how we can change, of course, the cutlery for fish, and that is tilapia fillet. And the last one, we shall see how we change cutlery when we are serving spaghetti. Good. So, as I said, we have 4-course. We have salad, and when you are setting the first outer cutlery are for salad. I mean these ones. And we have soup spoon. And then for main course, we have this: the table knife and table fork. The last one is for dessert. So we have dessert fork, and then dessert spoon. So we shall see how we can just adjust according to the order. So the next step will be just the serving. And of course, after serving, it's a kind of continuity, because we have to clear the table. After clearing the table, we have to accept payment by giving a bill, by presenting a bill to the guest. And then after that, if they finish the dessert, And then we bid farewell our guest. So next step will be showing how we serve the cold starter, which is our fresh garden salad. Thank you. Dear student, we are going to start with our first course of our set menu, which is 4-course menu, but the first one is cold starter or salad. So before we start that, please, I invite you to follow all procedures and take note. And remember, when we are serving, we start from the ladies and then we go clockwise. But when there is an obstacle, then you can go anti-clockwise. And of course, when you serve from the right hand side of the guest, you have to use your right hand to serve. So it will be like a sequence, serving and clearing. So let me go and pick my first course and serve my guest. This is our first course of our set menu, or the menu of the day. So as you can see, do you see how I'm carrying the plate? So the plate has a guest part where you are not allowed to touch because you may infect the food. So as you can see, I carry the plate like this. I think you can see even my finger or my fingers. So as there are two, my left hand helps me to carry plate, but the right hand will serve. So I'm going to serve my first guest, who is the lady, because always we respect the rule called ladies first. Excuse me, madam, your fresh garden salad.
Thank you.
Enjoy your salad, madam.
Thank you.
Pleasure. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
This is your fresh garden salad.
Thank you very much.
Enjoy.
Thank you.
Good. So after serving the first course, you have to give them space or ask them if there is anything else that they need you to do. Now I have to go and clear the plate for the first course. So remember, all service that you have to do at the guest table, you have to start from ladies. So I'll clear. If there is some food on the linen, I may cramp down, but that I'll do it after clearing the main course. So I start to clear the plate. Excuse me, madam. May I clear?
Sure.
How was it?
Nice. Delicious.
Okay. Good. Thank you. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
May I clear
Yes.
the plate?
Yeah.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
How was it?
So very amazing.
Oh, okay. Thank you. I'm going to serve the second course, which is hot starter, our pumpkin soup. But as you can see, I have only 2 plates using my 2 hands because the soup bowl need an underliner. So I can't Actually, it's quite difficult to put the 2 underliners and 2 soup bowls in one hand. Reason why I'm using the 2 hand. So I'll start to serve ladies first. Excuse me, madam. Your pumpkin soup.
Thank you.
You're welcome, madam. Enjoy your pumpkin soup.
It looks so nice.
Good, thank you. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Your pumpkin soup.
Yeah.
Enjoy your pumpkin soup, sir.
Thank you.
Good. So after serving the pumpkin soup or any course, you have to wish the guest to enjoy their meal. And then you give them space if they don't need anything else to do or to refill some drinks. This is our second course, which is soup. It can be cream of mushroom, cream of pumpkin, cream of spinach, cream of tomato, and so on. But the guest ordered for cream of pumpkin. So to serve them, as you can realize, the first course, which was just a simple salad, I brought the 2 plates using my left hand, or carrying the plate with my left hand, and my right hand was free just to serve. But this time, because the soup bowl are big and heavy, and of course I have to put underliners, so I carry the 2 plates using my 2 hands, left and right hand. So that is a simple difference. So I'm going to serve by respecting the rule of serving ladies first. Good. Excuse me, madam. Your cream of pumpkin soup.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So delicious, so nice.
Enjoy your soup, madam.
Thank you.
Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Your cream of pumpkin soup.
Yeah. Thank you.
Enjoy your soup.
Thank you.
Dear student, remember that after serving every dish, every course, you have to clear the table. And if it's a many course, after serving many course, you clear and you cram down. So now I'm going to clear my soup bowls and underliners. Excuse me, madam. Can I clear?
Sure.
Thank you. Excuse me, sir.
Yes, please.
Can I clear the table?
Yeah.
Thank you.
It's so very delicious.
Oh, thank you. Good.